We are crazy about glitter, and Hobbii Universe is a very nice yarn with a long, elegant color gradient where a thin, glittery thread is spun in. And you know what? That can really add a little extra sprinkle of glamour to absolutely any project. The glittery thread is so fine that it can be hardly felt. However, it can be definitely seen. It matches the yarn's colors, so you'll get a really cool bling effect without being too ballroom. Hobbii Universe is made out of 98% premium acrylic and 2% polyester. Each cake weighs 100 grams, that's 3.5 ounces, and the yarn length runs for 462 meters, that's 505 yards. The yarn weight is fingering or sock weight, and we recommend machine washing it at 30 degrees Celsius, that's 86 Fahrenheit. Remember, do not iron and do not tumble dry. You will go a long way with one of these little sweet cakes, so not much more is needed for a super beautiful festive shawl or a poncho. Don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section telling us what you dream of making with this gorgeous yarn, and we will see you guys in the next Behind the Yarn episode.